Hello guys, I want to quickly show you how to turn your Android tab, your Xiaomi tab, Samsung or whatever, and even your smartphone into PC display mode. You want it to display as if you are using a laptop. This tutorial is for you. You can do that on your mobile phone, your tablet, and whatever device you are having. First step, you need to head over to Play Store and search for HyperDroid PC Launcher. HyperDroid PC Launcher. Let's do that quickly. HyperDroid PC Launcher. Alright, you can see the option is popping up. Then you OK it. You see this one, right? This is the one you are installing. Yes, this particular one. You tap on install, you give it some time. Depending on how fast your internet connection is, it will be installed into your iPad, Xiaomi pad, Samsung pad, or whatever pad you are having. But majorly this is for Android. Take note of that. Then after installation, you tap on open. Yes, it will take you to this interface. You select OK. You can see this pop up. OK, I understand. You tap on it. At least you can see the feel of the PC display mode. Yes. Now, after you have done this, there are some settings you need to enable, and these settings are very important for you. Take note of this. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to grant it internet access in case you haven't done that. Well, I'm going to do that later. Let's proceed with this. So let's do that quickly. You tap on this, allow access to the internet. I've done that. Next, tap on the setting icon at the bottom. You can see it. Then you see display, storage, multitasking, default launcher, about. We need to change some of these settings. So the next thing we need to do is to make this launcher the default launcher. If you don't do that, anytime you minimize, it will revert back to your original launcher. So you need to set it as your default launcher. If you are ready, you tap on it. Alright, you tap, then enable as launcher. You enable this toggle. You can see the toggle here. Tap on it. That is it. I hope you have seen this. To retain it as your primary launcher, you select choose as default. You see the last option, choose as default. Tap on it and select hybrid or HyperDroid launcher. Can you see it? We have done that now. You can also tap on this settings icon again and change some other settings. Right now, you imagine this interface. We want to add some icons. You can see we just have 3 icons in the desktop. Now we want to add icons to desktop. This is the method you are going to apply. Exactly. Tap on Windows icon to display your applications. Then tap on the app and hold. You can see add to desktop. When you tap on add to desktop, you can see the app has been added to desktop. We have added Explorer to desktop. This is the method you are going to use in doing that. If you want to pin to taskbar, you can do the same. If you want to launch the app, you can also do the same thing. You can see the options that has been displayed to you. Now we need to grant Explorer access to manage all files. You tap on it and then you see allow access to manage all file. You turn it on. Okay, with this you can, from this launcher, access any file in your phone. Can you see it? You can see the internal storage. You can see arranged as documents, downloads, music, and the rest. You can access your folders, access any file from here, and also whatever you need to do, you can access them from here. If you love this interface, this is the launcher to install to make your pad look like PC. Yes. Also remember, you can minimize, you can maximize. Okay, you can open multiple windows just like PC. You can see it here. Once you tap on minimize, you see them, and you tap and hold to move them within the screen. You can see You can open multiple windows and it will serve you the way your PC serves you. So I hope this part is very clear to you. You can see that when you are using your browser, the display is already on desktop mode. Alright, you can see it, desktop mode. I want to show you some settings quickly. Let's say I want to access this site, right? chatgpt.com, and I want to add it to my desktop since it's my regular web page. You see, install page as app. Install page as app. You can change the name, then you install. Once you tap on this and you do this site will be added to desktop. Okay, it will be added to desktop. So, and it will be shown directly. Let me show you quickly. Can you see it? Can you see ChatGPT? And you can move it across your desktop and arrange them accordingly. So these and many more are some of the changes you can make to your display, and then it's going to look as if you are using a laptop. So you can rearrange, you can unpin, you can pin to taskbar, you can do whatever you need to do. You can arrange apps according to A to Z style or whatever you need to do. So all you can do, you can change the settings from this panel. When you tap on system, you have display. You can change the scale, okay? 80%, 60, custom, whatever you want to do, you can change it. You can hide device navigation. You can also hide status bar. So these and many more are some of the settings you can make to the launcher. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it did, please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.